This is Manisha Zaveri, and welcome back to the Safe Cities for International Students. Today we are heading to the east coast of USA, a city that is known for its historical charm, vibrant student life, and cultural diversity. Yes, we are talking about none other than Boston. Boston is home to renowned universities such as Boston University, Northeastern University, and UMass Boston. Whether you are a student who's headed to Boston soon or are considering it, it's important to know what are the things that make Boston safe and a good city for international students to consider to study abroad in. Nighttime safety is always a concern, especially for females. Boston does pretty well here. It ranks number 25 amongst the top safest cities for solo travelers in the US, with a safety score of 4.3 out of 5. Boston is a mid-sized, charming, walkable city. While all streets are very well lit and there are cafes all around most campuses, there are also student emergency call boxes and shuttle services that run 24/7 by most of the campuses. Caution is smart, but students often say that they find it easy and safe to walk around in Boston even in the night. Boston is incredibly diverse. In fact, it is one of the top 10 most culturally diverse cities of the US. For students from South Asia, especially Indian students, you will be experiencing a range of festival celebrations, access to cultural clubs, and the local Indian food. Like many other international cities around the world, Boston does face some challenges with cultural inclusion, but the city and several initiatives by the government is making sure that Boston is a welcoming environment for all international communities. When it comes to campus safety and student safety, universities in Boston are taking it very seriously. For example, UMass Boston has 24/7 on-campus police, emergency phone lines, as well as self-defense classes for students. Northeastern University, on the other hand, offers shuttle services late into the night for students. Boston University has night escort service for students to make sure that they get around safely to and fro from their homes. Not just these campuses, all campuses across Boston offer several similar student safety programs to create a secure environment for students. Public transport in Boston makes it easy for students to get around. The MBTA, which is commonly known as T, is a system of trains, buses, and subways. In the evening, when these shut down, many universities offer shuttles and vans to take students to and fro. So whether it is your study classes or activities that you're pursuing in the evening or just hanging out with friends, you can be safe and sure that there will be a system to transport you securely. Health is a basic need. And when it comes to Boston, students are pretty well covered. By law, all full-time students must have health insurance. And universities in Boston enroll students in health plans automatically. Across campuses in Boston, there are walk-in clinics, emergency nurse call lines, as well as counseling helplines. So whether it is a physical or a mental issue that you need help with, you can be sure of getting the support that you need. For issues which may be more serious in nature, Boston hospitals are some of the best in the world. In fact, there are often multilingual staff there speaking a range of international languages, including the likes of Hindi and Tamil. Boston is one of the most student-friendly cities in the world. From low crime rates to great transport facilities, campus safety and security, and a welcoming international community, Boston has everything that it offers for international students to feel welcomed and to thrive, not just academically, but even in terms of their quality of life in the city of their study. No city is perfect, but Boston continues to grow and improve in areas that matter. For international students, it offers not just a place for education, but a home.